Hello friends. The first generation Audi Q7 crossover was a long-lived vehicle, having been on the assembly line for 10 years, from 2005 to 2015. But the second generation model looks to surpass that result. The current Q7 debuted in 2015 and has already undergone a one restyling in 2019. However, a new, all-electric successor on the PPE joint platform with Porsche is still not ready, so it was decided to rejuvenate the Q7 a second time. And this restyling is modeled after the Q8 model. The crossover has acquired a refreshed appearance and expanded equipment. Outside Audi Q7 has become more glossy. Almost all plastic elements are now painted in body color. In any case, in cars with S-line package. Not only the front bumper and radiator grille have been redesigned, now it has large honeycombs, but also the headlights. As before, Q7 has matrix front optics, and for extra charge, laser luminophore high beam. But the pattern of running lights is different now. But optional OLED lights on the stern are offered for the first time. They allow to change the light pattern, giving the user a choice of 4 design options. In addition, there are 5 new variants of wheels with a diameter from 20 to 22 inches and 3 colors of body paint. The interior is updated not so noticeably. In the base, there is a contrasting stitching with gray thread and natural silver elm trim. And in the package, S-Line or for the top version of the SQ7 can choose matte inserts of carbon fiber or brushed aluminum. The media system is still of the 3rd generation, MIB3. But from now on, it is trained to install third-party applications, which expands the possibilities of its customization. Under the hood, there's nothing new. Modifications 45 TDI at 231 horsepower and 500 Nm, and 50 TDI at 286 horsepower and 600 Nm are equipped with a turbodiesel V6 3.0. A similar gasoline turbo engine is assigned only to the 55 TFSI version at 340 HP, 500 Nm. All listed modifications are equipped with a 48-volt starter generator, the charged Audi SQ7, which 4 years ago replaced the super diesel with a gasoline biturbo 4.0 TFSI for 507 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque, with a system of disabling half of the cylinders, stands apart. This motor accelerates the large and heavy crossover to 100 km/h in just 4.1 seconds. All versions have an 8-speed automatic and permanent quattro all-wheel drive. The updated Audi Q7 has a standard spring suspension. For a surcharge, as before, is offered air suspension, thruster on the rear axle, electromechanical stabilizers of transverse stability, and electronically controlled rear differential. On the European market, the updated Audi Q7 crossovers will appear in the first quarter of 2024, and they will noticeably rise in price. If now the prices in Germany start from €72,000, about $77,000, the restyled version will cost at least €8,000. For gasoline, Audi Q7 55 TFSI will require a minimum of €82,000, and the most powerful Audi SQ7 TFSI costs from €112,000, which in dollars will be $120,000.